Hi, welcome to PlayTime. Today we're going to be taking our Thomas the Train Engine Race Edition and we're going to be giving him a brand new motor. Because last time, in the last video, with the race, he didn't do so good and he's requested an upgrade. But we're not just any upgrade, we're going to give him a plasma dash motor. So, first thing we do is we're going to remove the body with a powered screwdriver. Now, if there are batteries, no problem, just remove them. If not, you're like a step ahead. Now that we've taken off the body, we are now going to open up the chassis, and we need a tri-point screwdriver to take out the little screws. Okay, now that we got the screws open, we can just carefully pull it out. Oops. Try not to lose the screws, that's very important. And now you can now see the motor, which is what we're going to replace. Just want to carefully take that out. Great. Now, let's open up the brand new one. Put that one in. See, and now that we have the motor out, we're now going to take this part and put it on here. So now you can see this is the old motor, this is the new one, and we're going to put the pinning gear on the new one. As you can see, the pinning gear is now on the new motor, but we're not going to put it back in the train just yet. We're going to apply some grease, which helps it run smoother and makes it somewhat waterproof. Now, to apply the grease, we're just going to add a little to the base, the pinning gear, the opposite side there. Just like that. You're going to put it back into the train. So it fits. Just like that. Now that the motor is in there, we're going to just put the other half of the chassis back on top. Like that. Make sure the battery's in all the way before you turn it on. Now let's see how fast he goes. Wow, that's really fast. I can't wait to see him tear it up on the tracks. Great, now that that's done, let's put the body back on. Make sure the back goes in first. Great. Now we're just tightening the screw. Just like that. Now, that plasma motor really made a difference. Can't wait to see him out there on the tracks. And now we're going to do the same thing for Diesel and Merlin. Now that we're done with all three upgrades, let's see how they sound. Here's Diesel. Wow, what a difference. Let's hear Thomas again. Alright, that's pretty good. And then here's Merlin. Awesome. If I had to guess, I think Diesel is now the fastest. Even though Thomas has the better engine, I think Diesel might be faster. Subscribe to see the next video and see who wins the race. Thanks for watching!